Welcome to your mortgage market update for November 5th, 2024. It is election day, so please do your civic duty and get out and vote. But in the meantime, let's take a look at all the chaos that has been happening in the mortgage market and obliterating rates from where we were going in September to where we are now. All right, let's take a look at what's going on with rates. It is not good. If you're familiar with some of my videos on here, these charts are what drive interest rates. This is the mortgage-backed security chart. The higher on this chart, the better it is for rates. The lower, obviously, the worst. As you can see here, October has been awful. Stepping into November, I personally think a lot of it has to do with the emotion around the election. We've also gotten some reports out economically that aren't good for the past month, which don't help this, but the Fed is going to probably be cutting at least 25 basis points off the rate this week. So there is a light, and it's not a train at the end of the tunnel coming at you. Until we get the election called, I don't think we're going to have the trend that we were having. It's just been chaos, and people don't really know until they know. They can go off of expectations, but I mean, we know what happens overnight tonight in the middle of the vote count. It usually goes one-sided, that's for sure. So right now we're kind of in a holding pattern. It's not great, but you could see all these tails, right? There's been whipsaws these past couple of days where it's been crazy up, down, all over the place. This just shows you how chaotic it has been. I mean, we are completely in the oversold area of stochastics. Like, nothing says that this is in the right. It's got to come back up. And I think it will eventually. It's just a matter of holding out for where we're at. So now that you know where the bond market is controlling the rates, let's take a look at where interest rates are. Because I just had a client reach out. They're getting all these mailers saying that interest rates are in the fives. Bullshit. Not a chance. As you see here, the best interest rate you're getting at 100. So 100 means you don't have to buy down for that interest rate. Is 7.25 right now. This is a $400,000 VA purchase with 700 credits, right? Of course, it's 100% financing because it's VA, right? That you use other people's money to build wealth. So that's where it's at. It's not where we would like them to be, but things aren't always where we'd like them to be for us to make a decision. If you're on the fence right now, you need to take action, because when rates do come back down, it's going to be chaos. There's not going to be inventory. You're going to be fighting. You're going to be paying. It's going to be bid over ask market, meaning you're going to be paying more than what their asking price is and what the appraised value is. There's just not enough homes for the amount of people looking to buy a home, and most areas. So that's where we're at. If you are in the market to buy or refinance a home, hit me up. I will go over all this stuff in detail. You will get to see a massive chart of different rates, so we know which one's best and what we're aiming for you. Same thing buying, right? Like, if you're looking to buy, let's talk about where your ultimate goals are and make a plan, because your home is a wealth building machine. So we want to utilize that to its best. In the meantime, I hope you guys got a lot out of this, and I will see you on the next one.